Okay, so here's how to sign into the curriculum ConnectED at home. And the first step, that is where most people make their mistakes, is they sign out of this Gmail account and leave this one active. And that's where you get into trouble when you can't access the sites. So you can add your student as an account on here, but I don't want to do that because this is a student's account. And I tried the ones that are disenrolled, but their accounts have been deactivated, so I have to use somebody who's actually currently in the class. And the ending is at student.centerusd.org, and they should know their email beginning. Just first letter, 5 letters of last name, and the last 3 of their lunch code. And then their password. It's just their lunch code with ABC at the end. And it'll take to his email account. And so then from there, I can go to oakhill.centerusd.org. And then I'm going to go to Students, hover over that, and then I'm going to click Web Page Links. And then you'll see this Google Apps. Click on that. And we'll have all the classroom and Gmail. And you'll scroll down and you'll see this McGraw-Hill Education logo. And that is what we need for the curriculum. It takes a second to load. And you'll see the 2 books that are available from our school. So then you click on the book, and just for instance with math, we are in chapter 9. We're going to start it when we got called out. So chapter 9 and lesson 1, and you go to, these are different options. They can play a game. There's different worksheets and a little resource that you can use to help with fractions. And then here's the ebook, and that's where it has the book pages that are exactly like the hard book that they should have with them. But this is for if that book is at school or missing. And it will show you the page numbers here, the games that can go with, and exactly what the book pages look like. And over here there's an arrow, and it'll take you to the next page, and you can see exactly what the book has. And then just close out of this window. It'll take you back to the main screen. You can go up to the menu, and if you want to get back and start looking at language arts, Global Dashboard takes you back to this screen. And then I can go show you Wonders. It's a little bit different. The reading curriculum, reading language arts. You might have, if you're enrolled in another class for rotation, there might be 2 options there. But there's a list of to-do, vocabulary, some games, and then read. It'll show the different options that are available, which it looks like I have to update so it shows the right ones. But this should be the book. And it'll show exactly what, like the math book, it'll show you exactly what you're going to see. Oh, look, it even lets you read it. Yay! Or lets it read it.
As Earth rotates on its
Awesome. I know mine had that. I didn't know. The kids had that. So that's really cool. If your kid is struggling to read, they can use this feature. I would suggest have them read a little bit and then play it for the rest. But at least it won't be overwhelming. And like before, you just click the arrow on the side and it turns the pages. So I'll make sure I update it to the correct story because this is not it. But that is on my end, not on the student's end. So those are both of the websites. I'm just going to click Wonders. Should take me back to the home. And I can go Global Dashboard. And it'll take me back. And hopefully that helps you be able to access the curriculum at home. If you're still having difficulty, it might be wrong password, and you can email me and I can help with that. But there you go.